everyone, welcome to Lemon's Journey. Today we are going to do the next experiment from this magic of science. Let's start. Today we are going to do something very interesting with a twirling ghost. To do this we need one twirling ghost, one red in plug, one red out plug, one wand and one octagon. Now let's take the red out plug and place the octagon. Now let's take the twirling ghost and place it in the center. Now let's take the red in plug and place it in the center of the twirling ghost. Now let's fix the twirling ghost. Like this. Now let's keep the twirling ghost on the floor. Now let's turn around the wand to see the ghost moving. Did you saw the ghost turning around? This is because of the special power called magnetism. There are two poles in a magnet, South Pole and North Pole. When North Pole and South Pole goes together, it attracts. But when the North Pole and North Pole goes together, it repels. That is how the twirling ghost started turning around. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, you can like, subscribe and share. Bye bye.